Hi, welcome to this video of HanweiApp. In this video, we will show you the method on how to install the HanweiApp in your desktop or laptop, including your Android or iOS tablet and hand phone as well. With just a few simple steps, you can start to use HanweiApp in your online or offline teaching and learning lessons. To download, visit e-1.com.my website. Under our product page, scroll down to HanweiApp section. You will be able to download the Hanwei desktop app or the mobile app. You can also scan the QR code here. Firstly, click on the Download Hanwei PC Desktop Client. Then, click on Next and wait for the installation to complete. Finally, click on OK to complete the installation. Following by the mobile app, you can scan the QR code on this page to download it according to your preferred mobile devices like a tablet or a hand phone. For best performance and experience, we suggest you to use a tablet with a stylus pen. If you like this video, please visit e-1.com.my or follow us in our Facebook for more infos and details. HanweiApp, your teacher's exclusive mobile teaching tool.